Acid-base chemistry is important to us on a practical level as well outside of laboratory chemical reactions. Our bodily functions, ranging from transport of ions across nerve cell membranes to the digestion of food in the stomach, are all bases of the principles of acid-base reactions. The temperature and chemical balances in our bodies is maintained by acid-base reactions. In this lesson, we will discuss acids and bases. An acid is a substance that releases hydrogen ions in solution as the only positive ions. A base is a substance that releases hydroxide ions in solution as the only negative ions. The table below shows some common bases and their formula and solubility.
Hi guys, if this is the first time you've come to my channel, please go down the bottom, hit that subscribe and turn on all notifications so you can get notified every time I post a brand new video similar to this. Keep watching.